Hey, welcome back to the Brew Nub channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Joey.
And today we're going to do our very own custom 1-gallon fall festival cider. So sit back, relax, and we'll show you how it's done.
Okay, so for today's episode, you're going to need a few items. Apple juice that is pasteurized with no preservatives. A 1-gallon carboy, your pumpkin spice extract, raisins, and a funnel. And don't forget your cap for your carboy.
We're also going to need our cloves, some cinnamon sticks, your dry yeast gel, that is the S04, our yeast nutrients, our blow-off assembly, and of course a little spray bottle that's going to be easy for sanitizing. And last but not least, we're going to want to add some brown sugar. So now that we sanitized everything, we're going to add a pound of brown sugar. Then we're going to add a gallon of our juice. Next thing we're going to add a cinnamon stick. Joey, let's get 10 raisins ready to go.
1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2. Alright.
And then we're going to add 3 full cloves. And we're also going to want to add 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin spice extract. Might overpower it. This is our first time doing a cider. So it might not be quite right, but it's going to take a couple trials and error. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of our yeast. And then we're going to do a full teaspoon of the yeast nutrients. And the reason you want to do that is so that your cider doesn't smell like rhino farts. So day 1, you're going to add 1 teaspoon. And then tomorrow, you're going to add another teaspoon. So let's shake this up. So now that we have everything mixed together, we're going to want to set up our blow-off assembly. So we're going to start off by sanitizing, placing this on. And then we're going to place this in a cool, dark room. So fermentation is going to be about 10 days. What you're going to want to do is let this sit for at least 5 days. Transfer it over to a second carboy. And then from there, you're going to want to put on your airlock. So after 10 days of fermenting, you're going to want to get onto the bottling step. So we're going to use carbonation drops. So we'll first sanitize probably around 8 to 10 bottles. And then we'll fill it up with the cider and just drop 1 carbonation drop per bottle. And then once you're done with that, you're going to wait an extra 10 days. In total, from fermentation to bottling, it's going to be 20 days. Once that 20 days is up, you're going to be ready to drink your cider. Alright, so you finish your 1 gallon of fall cider. Now, if it tastes like garbage, you'll probably won't see this video. So, if you are seeing this, then it probably came out okay. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let us know how yours came out. And let us know how we did. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.